Hey Steve, I spoke with Brittany earlier today, and my name is Lee Turbianic, and I've been doing some research in your area and came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help grow your business online, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on the video at the end. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to go over today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now content is basically anything that you can see on this front page in wording. And even these pictures and what they're saved as is considered content too. And Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words. So as we can scroll down, you see you have maybe 150 words at the moment. So let's do a quick search, plumber Las Vegas, Nevada, and as you can see, Larkin Plumbing Services in first place. So let's look at his content. He has some content here, content, couple pictures, not much more, not anywhere near what Google likes to see, but he does have more than you at the moment. And you got to think, Google is just a bot that all it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information on your website telling what your services are and what you're about and putting your special keywords throughout the mix, then it won't know how to rank you according to. So let's break down Google for you. Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are all paying money to be up here advertised. And honestly, I believe it's a waste of money and become a big money pit if they're not ran effectively, because if you're ranking in these other 2 sections, you'll be getting more than enough traffic to keep your business thriving and wouldn't have to pay per click for a lead. So let's touch base on this middle section, or Google Map Hack section. As you can see, DMS Plumbing is in first place. Now what dictates your ranking in this section is a citation. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook even has a place for one. So I have a local tool that I use called Whitespark CA. It's a local citation finder, and I plugged their information in to see how many citations they had, and they only had 58 to claim that top spot. Now the good part about this tool is I can go in and see where they're getting all of their citations from, and these are all submittable. So we can grab all these for your business, and so we'd easily match him, and then we go out and get 80 to 100 more, swamp out these guys by a landslide, get you up in this top 3 and start pulling some real traffic to your website. I know this is where I go when I'm looking for a service, but that's a citation. And now the third thing I want to discuss with you is this bottom organic section. And this deals with your website, and what ranks you here is a backlink. Backlinks are when one website links to another website via hyperlink. I'm sure you've seen them before in their content. There's little writing, you click on it and it takes you to another website. Well, Google loves those and considers them votes. So the more backlinks you have, the more votes you have for your website, and Google will reward your site for having the most backlinks by ranking it according to. Because you got to think, if you have a bunch of backlinks to your website from relevant sources and powerful sources, that means those websites are willing to transfer their traffic to you, and Google thinks highly of that. So I want to show you this tool I use called Aris, and this will show me a basic overview of your site and its stats. So as you can see, you guys, I put in Max Plumbing and Air up top here, and you guys have 27 websites giving you 153 backlinks at the moment. Now, these aren't created equal, like I said. You want relevant backlinks. If Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink, it's not going to transfer as much power as another plumbing website sending its traffic to you, rather than, something that has nothing to do with you. And the only ones that really matter are these do follow links, and you have 13 of them. And these UR and DR, that's your strength of your profile and of your backlinked profile. So that tells me that it's kind of weak at the moment, but that's okay, because there's room for improvement. Now this is your competitor, Larkin Plumbing Service. He's in the top spot. So he has 218 referring domains or websites, giving him 994 backlinks, and he only has 101 that are actually transferring power. Good part about this is we can go in throughout his whole backlink profile and grab all the ones that we want, put them for your website, and submit to get them for yours. So we know it's working for him, it'll work for you. But now let's touch base on your keywords. Now this is very important, and this is going to show you how much business there actually is out there and how much you're missing out on by not ranking in the top positions. So you guys are ranking in first place for your name. That's when someone looks for you solely just your business. But we want to go after more general for the people who don't know you, like someone typing Las Vegas Plumbing Inc. Now this is going to show me the keyword, how many times it's being searched each month, and how hard it is to rank for it. So let's see, Las Vegas Plumbing Inc. 80 searches, plumbers in Nevada 50 searches, commercial plumbing in Las Vegas 70 searches. But you're ranking on the second page for all of these. 15th position, 17th, 20th. Plumbing Las Vegas, Nevada, 150 searches. Las Vegas Plumbing, 600 searches a month. But you're in the 28th position. That's almost the third page. No one ever goes there when they're looking for a plumber. They'll go right to the top of in this section, or they're going right here on the first page because they're in an emergency. So there's tons of keywords throughout here. Commercial plumbing in Las Vegas 10, plumbing Nevada 10, Las Vegas NV plumbing 90, plumbers Las Vegas 1,500. That's 1,500 people looking for plumbers Las Vegas each and every month that you're in 35th position for. So, and that's why it's important to have that 1,500 words on your home page, so you can fit those keywords throughout, and because this is normally your most powerful page. But if you were to do a little bit of SEO to your website, which I could easily help with, and add backlinks with those keywords, you guys would see a drastic change in business. But anyways, let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing was content. You need 1,500 words on your home page to fit those keywords we went through. You could put one per every 100 words, and it's crucial because you've seen the exact terms, and if you have those exact keywords in your content, when someone writes it, Google will recognize that it's in your content, and boom, they link to you. Second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number, and that's what ranks you in this map pack listing section. The third thing we talked about was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority, and if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Leah. My number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Steve and Brittany, and I hope you guys have a great day. And just know any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching.